Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Flagstar Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser in your default search engine. Then search Flagstar Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.flagstar.com. It will then take you to the official website of Flagstar. There on the top right corner, click to login. Then enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Flagstar Bank account. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Username or Password. And if you are new to Flagstar, you can sign up a new account by clicking to Sign Up. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.